Glam fam, welcome back to the channel where we see the world glamorously, one word at a time. I am Marquita, your eyewear bestie. Hey, I am so excited to bring you today's word of the day because it's all about, wait for it, transformation. Okay, are you ready for a mindset glow up? Let's get into it. Okay, so today's word of the day is, drumroll, metanoia. Isn't that beautiful? Like listen to metanoia. Now, that's a Greek word that means transformational change of heart or mind. Transformational. Oh my goodness. Heart and mind. A change of heart and mind. So we're talking about, it's not even a flipping of the switch. This is a beautiful change. Metanoia is all about those big moments where we pause and reflect and decide to grow. A shift in mindset. Metanoia. So with metanoia, we are shifting our mindset. We're opening up our hearts and we're stepping into a brighter, better version of ourselves. It's like saying, hey, I'm ready for something new, baby. Okay? And it's going to be powerful. And it's going to be just for you. It's a transformational change, personal to you. So today I'm sharing 5 reasons we need to cultivate metanoia and 5 simple ways we can maintain it. So grab your favorite notebook, okay, and drop those thoughts down in the comments as we move along, okay? So let's glow together. All right, so let's start with why we need metanoia in our lives. These reasons are going to inspire you to lean into change and embrace a fresh mindset, okay? So here we go. Take your time. Think about it for yourself. Meditate on these 5 reasons. Number 1, growth creates a brighter you. When you decide to change your mind and your mindset and your heart, you allow yourself to grow. And growth, that's when the magic happens. Because you become stronger, you become wiser, you become a better you, than you were before. You're not afraid of the change because you know that change is leading you to something bigger and better, wiser, beautiful. Number 2, it helps you let go of the old. Are we holding on to anything that we need to let go of? Metanoia teaches us to let go of old thoughts, old habits that no longer serve us, no longer allows us to contribute to society in a positive way. It's like swapping out an old pair of broken frames for new ones. Okay? Because sometimes we need a refresh. You better be swapping out those old frames for new ones. We'll get to that later. Number 3. It strengthens your relationships. So when you shift your heart and your mind, it changes how you connect with other people. You show up, right? You show up and show out with love, with kindness and understanding. And it allows you to heal. It allows you to transform your relationships to something stronger, something better. 4, it inspires confidence. Metanoia pushes you to face fears and doubts. You start to realize that you are in control of your life, not anybody else's life, your life. You can develop real confidence and use that glow up that you gain from metanoia as an accessory. Now, granted, you can't control everything, but the only person you can control is you. You have the power to make the changes and transform into a better you. No one can do that for you. And lastly, number 5, it opens doors to joy. Because you have a renewed mindset, that brings peace, that brings joy. You start to see opportunities where there were once obstacles, and life just feels lighter and brighter. Like, who doesn't want that? Why hold on to anger and doubt and all of those things that hold you back? Transform into something more positive that will bring you and those around you joy. So we know why cultivating metanoia is so powerful, right? But how do we keep that transformational energy alive? How do we keep that going? Understanding it is one thing, but implementing it is another. So here are 5 simple ways to maintain it every day. 1, you want to reflect daily. Take a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes each day to reflect humbly. Ask yourself, what's one thing I can let go of today? Can you let go of those old frames today? What's one thing I can do to grow? Reflection is where the change starts. That's called being self-aware. You're humble enough to check yourself, to see what adjustments you need to make to elevate yourself, to make that transformational change. That's metanoia, baby. Okay, number 2, embrace challenges. Challenges aren't roadblocks. They're opportunities to grow. So the next time you face something hard, pause. Don't stress out. Pause. Take a step back, okay? And ask, what can I learn from this? Think about it. Number 3, surround yourself with positivity. I can't stress that enough. Let go of the negative. Saying you are who you surround yourself is so true. So you want to keep friends and mentors and individuals around you, even content that you make like this. You want to make sure they're always positive. The ones that will push you, uplift you, encourage you, build you up. That's the kind of energy you need around you. Number 4, you want to make sure you practice gratitude. Every morning, write down one thing you're grateful for and one positive change you're working on. Gratitude keeps your heart open and your mindset fresh, showing appreciation for the things that you have, thanking God for what you have, even the tiniest of things. Being grateful, showing gratitude will continue to give you peace of mind and motivate you to transform in a positive way. 5, you want to celebrate those small wins. Transformation doesn't mean things will change overnight. So you need to be mindful of those little victories, those little changes in your mindset, those little steps forward that you take as something that you should be appreciative of, that you should rejoice over. Each baby step that you take is progress to a beautiful, graceful transformation. All right, lovelies, now it's your turn. Which reason or tip spoke to you the most today? What stood out to you about metanoia? Share it in the comments below, because when you share, we inspire each other. And I am so excited to hear your thoughts and be encouraged by your words as well. And hey, remember, metanoia is a journey. Transformation doesn't have to be perfect or pretty. It just has to be yours. And quite frankly, it won't be any of those things, perfect or pretty. Speaking of transformation, the glasses frames I'm wearing are called MONARCH. These beautiful frames are the perfect frame for this transformative word of metanoia. The link for these frames are located in the description below, so check them out on my website. They come in beautiful colors like this red, green, royal blue. Go check them out. Remember to keep growing, keep shining, and keep seeing the world glamorously. Okay? Oh, and before you go, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, okay? Subscribe and share this video with someone who needs a little glow up, okay? A little inspiration for today. And I'll see you next time. Bye.